Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Hotstar app and going straight to Settings. This is where streaming quality lives. Once signed in, tap your profile or the menu icon because the data saver option sits inside Playback Preferences. Make sure your connection is active, mobile data or Wi-Fi, so you can preview changes. You're doing this to cut data use and avoid buffering on low connections, so move now to the Playback section to change streaming behavior. Next, go into Playback or Streaming Quality and choose Data Saver or Low. This reduces bitrate and saves data. You can also pick a fixed option like 480p or a custom 0. 5x bitrate if available, which gives predictable usage. Once done, enable auto for mobile networks or roaming so Hotstar automatically shifts to the lower quality when you're on the go. This balances video clarity versus data spend and helps prevent surprise overages without you checking every time. Finally, test your change by playing a short clip and watching data use drop. This verifies quality and confirms settings. If you don't see the data saver toggle, clear the app cache, update Hotstar, or reinstall. Sometimes older versions hide features. If playback remains high, restart the app or device and make sure carrier or VPN settings aren't forcing higher bitrates. One troubleshooting tip: check that background data restrictions aren't disabled. If they are, enable them to enforce the saver.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.